Think a pit bull is strong? These 5 dogs will change your mind. Number 5. The Cane Corso. This Italian guardian has a bone-crushing bite and a fearless nature, making it stronger than a pit bull. Number 4. The Boer Boel. Bred to fight lions and leopards, this dog is pure muscle, power, and aggression. Number 3. The Alabai. A massive guardian that has battled wolves for centuries, built for endurance and combat. Number 2. The Kangal. With the strongest bite force of any dog at 743 pounds per square inch, it was bred to fight off deadly predators. Number 1. The Caucasian Shepherd. This colossal powerhouse was designed to fight wolves and protect with unmatched strength. Which one do you think is the strongest? Comment below.